Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain how to reflect a shape A. I forgot to write the shape letter here. This is the shape A. And the instruction says reflect the shape A by using the vector y equals x. What does it mean? It means that we have to create a mirror line that has these characteristics. Y equal x. What does it mean? It means that all the values of x, yes, are going to be equal to all the values of y. So in other words, it means that if x is 0, y is going to be 0 as well. If x is 1, look, y is going to be 1 as well. So this is the other one. If x is equal to 2, y is going to be equal to 2. So here is the other point. If x is equal to 3, yes, y is going to be equal to 3 as well. So if you see, we have like a diagonal. If x is equal to 4, y is going to be equal to 4. If x is equal to 5, y is going to be equal to 5. If x is equal to 6, y is going to be equal to 6. And so on. If x is 7, y is going to be 7 as well. So we can make the diagonal. Look, this is the other point, this is the other point, this is the other point. In other words, what we have is a diagonal. So we can make that line, which is going to be the mirror, or our mirror in this case. Okay? This is going to be the mirror. Alright, remember that to reflect a shape through a mirror that is a diagonal, so we make also diagonals to reflect point by point. For example, let's begin with this point. So we have to count the number of diagonals or little diagonals that exist between each point and the diagonal. So remember, how many diagonals are here? 1, 2, 3, 3.5 diagonals. So I will go through the mirror 3.5 diagonals. So half of diagonal, 1, 2, and 3. Here is going to be located the new point. I will do the same thing with this one, counting diagonals. How many diagonals are between this point and the mirror? 1.5. So 1 diagonal and a half. So I have the half of diagonal and 1. Here is going to be located the other point. And then let's do the same thing with this one. How many diagonals are between this one and the mirror? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 diagonals. So 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I think it's time, look, this is the other one. I think it's time to make the new plane shape. Remember, here I have the first one is the other one, and this one is the other one. And this is my new triangle. Look, this is my new triangle. This is going to be my triangle B reflected through the shape x equals y. Now I'm going to show you a second example of this type of line reflection. Okay, so let's try it. Um, as I told you, this is like the second example. The instruction is reflect the shape J in the line y equals x. As I told before, y equals x means a diagonal that is through the point 0, comma 0, right? So I'm going to draw my reflection line. Yes, this is my reflection line. Let me draw it uh, like this. This is my mirror, okay? So I'm going to count the number of diagonals that are from each point to the mirror. Okay, so but I am not going to use like the diagonals drawing anymore. So I'm going to start with this one. How many diagonals are from here to the mirror? Let's count. 1.5. So I will go to the other side, 1.5. So this is the half and this is one. Here, sorry, let me change like the width of my pen. This, yes, is the point that is reflected in this case. The reference is this one. Now let's do the same with this one. How many diagonals are from here to the mirror? Half. So I'm going to cross half, half and half. Here is the other point. Here. Here is the other point. And let's see what happened with this one. This is half of diagonal onto the mirror. From here to the mirror is half of diagonal. So I will cross half of diagonals as well. Here is the other point. What I'm going to do is to draw the new triangle. Let me change again the pen width. Let's put it like this. And then I will join the points. So I will join this one with this one with this one, and this one with this one. Yes, and that is the shape or the triangle reflected through the mirror that in this case is a diagonal. Y equals X.